Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to backtest option selling. Let's get started with Nifty. So Nifty had an expiry today. So let's see the open. Nifty open was 25.50. Okay, so it was a very good day. I thought so it will have a breakout. So this is the open ATM. So since it is expiry, OTM is positive decay, and then you could see it was a very strong support. So definitely positive decay max at the support because of the strongness, and a very weak resistance and important major resistance breakout. So you could see the max negative decay in the ITM of the CE writing, which also acts as a resistance. Okay, so today you could see both Nifty and Bank Nifty are having the same pattern. Okay, so you can also check here that the Reliance had a breakout. So 1400 was a strong resistance, it's a breakout. HDFC was sideways. ICICI also had a breakout. So 1400 was a major resistance for ICICI, which had a breakout, and that was the reason why Bank Nifty and Nifty both had a uptrend. So clearly ICICI had a call writing profit booking. So this is Bank Nifty. Pretty simple. Bank Nifty is having the expiry pattern, so it doesn't respect as Nifty does. So you could see negative decay because of the weak resistance, positive decay because of the strong support. So you could see the price action here. First half was trending for Nifty, second half was also trending. So we would go and check for one more thing, that is Midcap. I'm just curious about Midcap, how the decay is happening. So it's a seller's day. Okay, so we'll go and move on to the premium. So this is the individual strike study for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So we'll go with Bank Nifty first. So this is Bank Nifty. Open was 54,800. So I'll take 54,800 on both sides, and then you could see from the very start at 9:50 itself the breakout is seen, and by 10:15 the breakout was very favorable for the sellers. So it was a buyer's day after 2 days of selling. Now we'll take 55k, which is the OTM, and then you could see the same results. Now let's take the ITM. I'll take 54,500, and then you could see the same results here. Now for Nifty, let me just refresh it. So Nifty open was 25.50. So let's take 25.50, and then you could see it was expiry definitely. So buyer's day, that is reflected here. Now let's take 200. This was seller's day because this acts as a OTM, and today we have expiry. So 24,900. It was a buyer's day. Okay, I'm curious about Midcap Nifty. So let's take a Midcap Nifty's chart and do some analysis. So Midcap Nifty was also trending today. So I'll take 15 minutes time frame. Let's see what happens. So first, only at the last, Midcap has shown some uptrend. So we'll take 13. So yeah, I just have to refresh it. So this website is actually struggling to match with the premium stats. So Midcap is 13,160. So 13,150 is the nearest. Okay, so 150, you could see from the very start it was almost similar, and then at the end you could see the breakout, but it was a seller's day for 150. Now let's improve the count to 200 for both, and then it's the similar pattern. Now from 150 let's go to 100. This is also similar pattern, so not much of a change, but it clearly shows that the sellers are winning the match for Midcap. I'll skip Finnifty because Finnifty and Bank Nifty works in a similar pattern, so I'll skip that. So let's take the study for the OI for Nifty. You could see it's 11 and 13 definitely. You could see the profit booking going on, so I'm only interested for next expiry 2 and 3. So clearly put writing is has more chance for retracement and going up for Nifty. Bank Nifty 107 135, put sellers yesterday itself we guessed it that it's gonna go up. For mid cap though, you could see the OTM 12 equal build up, so it is still going to be sideways. Now let's check the ATM price. So for Nifty, it was from 80 to 16. Since it's an expiry, we can't expect much more. Bank Nifty from 800 to 840, 40 points DK is a very good thing. Finnifty is available. Unfortunately, we can't find Midcap Nifty here. So I would just go with the build up here to find out the short straddle. So Nifty, today you could see it was a profit booking, so I'm interested in next week expiry. So clearly 25 200 put sellers are there, so clearly put writers are more here, and also 200 is having a very good put writers here, so chances are that the breakout will sustain for Nifty. Now we have Bank Nifty in the charts. Bank Nifty also, you could clearly see the straddle point is here, here, and then equally build up. So you could see in the total the build up is equal in both, and today profit booking in the call side. Okay, so CE right is definitely less than PE right. That's why the price action was trending going up. Okay, I'll check for mid-cap Nifty for a change, so that I want to include mid-cap Nifty to just to find out. So you could see under 100 profit booking was going, and 200 equal build-up. So straddle is there for 100 as well as 200. Here also with the count of 100, the straddle build-up is equally built. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you.